Okay, I'm going to show you how to get to the creative writing for the week. You need to go to your Language Arts Block 2, which is right down here. And when you get up to your home page, you should be here already. As far as the video, we have the new instruction video for the weekly writing project. Here's the grammar and the spelling. Those are changed. Spelling stays the same. But you click on your assignment page right there, and they should come up, and you're going to scroll down to April 20th right down here. Now it looks like we have a huge long list, but it really isn't that bad, because remember, you're choosing 1 hour from the list and one assignment. So you can choose the spelling and the tense worksheet, grammar, or you could do just the grammar worksheets, or you could do this one, which is kind of fun. Create your own emoji. So whoops, let me go back to I'm going to go back to the student view. If I come back, I'll click on student view. Sorry about that. I'll get you back to the student view. All right, now I can get on it. This is what you see. I had it on teacher view. I'm going to scroll down. I get to create your own emoji, and that's what this lesson is about. You're writing this week. We are editing your Choose Your Own Adventure. You're editing to share with a friend in class, or maybe your parents. And then you're going to edit it. You can add an animation. Actually, I'm going to click on that right now so you can see it. Our goal is to have your published copy done by the end of the week. There's no need to submit anything, because when you edit in Google Drive, it is automatically fixed. I'm going to take what you have on Friday and publish it. I'm hoping to have it published for the school so all kids can read it in school online. So make sure you have your changes and everything ready to go for this Friday. I would go to Google Slides here, share it with a friend, let them read it. They can add suggestions. Your parents can add suggestions. Fix your spellings and your capital letters. And then I'd like you to try to shoot for one animation per page. You get your animation by going to the top of your Google Drive toolbar, and there's a tab called Insert, and underneath Insert it says Animations, and you basically highlight what you want animated, and you can have it fly in from the bottom, slide in from the left. You'll get the idea once you see it and mess around with it. Again, that's due Friday. But what I want to show you is this week's new one is the Create Your Own Emoji. And this is a 1 hour project. Remember, you don't have to do this. You could just do the spelling and the grammar and be done. But if you'd like to create your own emoji, there's a worksheet here that talks about how emojis are designed and created. And you're going to create one and then write 3 paragraphs. If you don't want to write 3 paragraphs, you just want to get your design done, get your design and tell me what it is and why. Basically it's a persuasive essay. You're gonna, if you just want to do it in a paragraph, I'll accept it. I'll be happy. If you're writing and creating, you want to persuade me why your emoji should be chosen to go on to your phones. So if that's the writing project. There's a really cool video lesson here I would encourage you to watch. It's the science behind it, how it started and who started it, who invented it, and then it gives you some ideas of how you could create your own emoji, what needs to be designed yet that hasn't been thought up. I did hear recently that they aren't putting any new ones out, I think, for the next year, that they want to take a break, but we're going to pretend that you could vote. So design your emoji, take a piece of paper, draw your emoji on it, or create it on the computer and write a paragraph and send it to me, and I'll accept that for your language arts assignment for the week. I hope that helps.